morning, guys, from a slightly breezy day here in Grand Cayman, Cayman Islands. Hopefully you can hear me. The wind is a little breezy. As you can see, it is a little wavy, a little choppier today. So the plan is, I'm going to walk down past Kimpton. I want to maybe try and go snorkeling for a few minutes, but we'll see how it is just over here, because it is a bit rough, as you can see. It's a bit choppy this morning, but you know, it's a beautiful day. The sun is out. Some clouds. You know, there's a bit of a wind coming from the south, so which is creating these waves. I was hoping it would be a little bit calmer, but you know, the clarity still looks nice, so I think I'm still going to take the opportunity to do a quick snorkel. But man, the bluest water in the Caribbean. Also today, maybe it's a little cloudy, but still the water is fantastic. So anyways, guys, hope you're having a great day. Come and join me. Let's do this. Woo! So this morning you see me wearing this long sleeve shirt, Columbia. My love Gaby got for me when she was in Miami. It's a great shirt for, you know, if you're going fishing or you're outside in the sun. So for some sun protection, because too much sun isn't good, obviously. So, ooh, yeah, it's actually not too bad. You know, it's a little rough, but I want to try and then go in over here, place I've shown you before. I also want to take a walk up to subscriber mentioned he stays at the Christopher Columbus condo apartments. So Todd. So Todd, I want to show you that a little later. Anyways, guys, stay tuned. I'm gonna go in the water. I think over here it's not too bad. So let's do this. I've come here before in previous videos. There's a nice little gap between the two corals, so we can get out there and see what we can find, you know? It is a little too rough, and the sand is all being mixed around by the waves, so I couldn't really see anything, to be honest with you. So sorry about that. Next time I'll try to pick a better day. I should have gone the last video I made about the beach. That day was nicer to go snorkeling probably. So anyways, it is what it is. Breeze too, you know? It's chilly when you get out. It's a nice breeze today. You know, we get into those months where it will get a little colder, but not very much. You know, we're talking 3 degrees. But you know, in January, December, we get these northwesters. Sometimes it's a cold front that comes down from the States and Canada, and it pushes cold air down to the Caribbean. So I think the coldest I ever experienced Cayman has probably been in the mid 70s. On like a rare occasion. But generally, yeah, we're getting into that period of time when the weather is really nice. It's the best time to come down here, like December, January, February, March, April. Those are the months, the time we call the high season, because you know the weather is very fair. You know, you get a nice breeze like today. You get blue skies. It doesn't rain as much. Within hurricane season, summer months, it rains more. So, but yeah, right now, let's get washed off and let's continue down the beach. Day. All right, let the journey continue. So let us continue. I want to try and reach Christopher Columbus condos. This one subscriber who commented a couple days ago. Try and show him what it looks like today. I've been past it before. Honestly, I'm not sure how far I have to go. Hopefully not too far. A lot of rocks. Watch your step. Don't get stub your toe on one of these bad boys. That'll make my walk back not very pleasant. Yeah, guys, unfortunately it's a little bit too rough today to do some snorkeling. You know, got these kind of waves, the sand gets all murky, the sand gets into the water, makes it very hard to see. So again, sorry about that. Try and do more snorkeling next time. The sea grape tree that's ready. I'm not sure the name of this apartment complex. Pretty nice, you know. Nice view, nice location. Ooh. Yeah, it was nice to go in the water. Wake up. My sombrero on. Just missing my Gaby, she's at work. Probably Thursday, I'm off today. Halloween coming up. Should be exciting. Apparently there's more COVID cases reported yesterday. Like over 100 locally transmitted cases. So, and then now they have over 500 active cases. 2 hospitalizations. It is what it is. Hopefully nobody dies from this. Maintain social distance, clean your hands, basic hygiene principles, you know. Here's a place which I walked before called White Sands. There's 1, 2, 3 rooms that are being used, but besides that, pretty empty. I think I know where this Christopher Columbus condo is. I think it's the one with the white roof, but you can't really see it on the camera. So sad to see this, guys. Today's modern world, people littering, having a beer, leaving it on the beach, expecting somebody else to clean up for them. How dare you, sir? Always remember, folks, clean up after yourselves if you're on a beach, in a park, anywhere. It's important to make sure you clean up after yourself and take care of the environment that we live in, or else there won't be an environment like this to live in. Cloud now blocking the sun. So guys, I think we've reached the destination finally. I think this is Christopher Columbus condos ahead. But get closer, get a better look. One thing I noticed, I did come here months ago, and I remember that the water was near those like shaded awnings. Like the water is super close. So this beach has actually gotten a lot bigger, which is nice to see. Yeah, I'm not sure if this is it. No, I think it's over here. Whew. The sand is very sinky today, so you gotta do double the work. It's not very firm. Always. Just the waves have been coming about, so. Yeah. I think we're here, guys. A little closer. Still very wavy over here too. thought this was it, but this is the Discovery Point Club, so I might have to go a little bit further. But I just want to find this place to show Todd. Hopefully it's not too further away. Ooh. Crap. Don't want to get the camera too wet, even though it's waterproof. Look at the house behind me. Fuck. Nice path. Ultra rich. Please be Christopher Columbus condos. Big drop. Oh man, this is called the Aqua Bay Club. That's not it. We're not a good sweat now, boys and girls. I'm not sure if this is it because I don't see a sign that says anything. I don't see a sign. You know where Christopher Columbus condos is? You know where Christopher Columbus condos are? Up there? Back there?
I'll follow your path and straight up.
Yeah.
Good walking.
Yeah. That one. Alright, thank you, man. Cheers. So we walk past it, so run into, turn back, go back this way. According to the guy over there, it's past that nice house, so we walk past it. There's some places don't display their names, which is kind of frustrating, so let's check it out. The man's getting tired. Yeah, that wind is pretty strong today. Nice little tidal pool. So guys, we're here. The guy said it's here, but this is the Discovery Point Club. So I'm not sure if it's back that way or if we passed it along here. I know there's a sign on the road, but I'm gonna walk back. I might drive later, see if I can find it. But right now I'm gonna head back because I'm tired. So I'm gonna walk and come this far. So let's head back right now. Might be one of these places here, but I don't see any signs that state the name of the property. So I do know there's a sign on the roadside, but not on the waterfront. So Or maybe there is. Maybe I didn't go far enough. So we're halfway home, I would say. It's a good walk I did today. I haven't walked that far in a few months. So plus today the sand is super soft, so you know, doing more work. And we're almost there. Still quite a big breeze that's coming from the south, just stirring up these waves, unfortunately. Whew, almost there. Guys, I have come back to where I originally started. Hopefully you can hear me. The wind's blowing very hard, so hopefully the audio's not too bad. But yeah, we're by the Kimpton again. It's a lovely day, a little breezy, and the water was a little murky. I did try to snorkel, but unfortunately it was very murky because the sand has been turned up. So still a nice day though. I attempted to find the Christopher Columbus condos, where a subscriber named Todd commented on one of my other videos that he stayed before. I couldn't find it. I might have walked past it, I might have filmed it back there. A fellow I met said I passed it, I had to go back. I did, but there's no signage, so Todd, if you recognize any of those places, make sure you comment below. And I might drive and see if I can find it on the roadside, because there is a sign on the roadside where it says Christopher Columbus, so I might do that later. So that might be the end of this video, but you never know. But anyways guys, thank you again for watching as always. Appreciate all your loyal support to the channel, and keep tuning in. Make sure you turn on the bell notification, you smash that thumbs up button, helps us out a lot, and you guys have a great day. Okay, I'll give you one last view of windy Southern Mile Beach, albeit beautiful nonetheless. So November 20th, we can welcome you back soon. Alright guys, take care. Grand Cayman, sign off now. Bye.